Hazrat Fatima, Qais' daughter, states that Hazrat Abu Amr bin Hafs gave her al-Batah divorce while he was not present there. He sent me some barley through his proxy. Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha got annoyed with him. His proxy whereupon said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you have no claim on us." Hazrat Fatima, Qais' daughter, went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and mentioned it to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, "No maintenance for you is stipulated on him." And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded her to spend the prescribed waiting period in Sharik's house. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "My companions frequently gather in her house, so you should spend your prescribed waiting period in Ibn Makhtum's house, as he is a blind man. You can take off your clothes in his house, and after the expiry of your waiting period, you should notify me." Hazrat Fatima, Qais' daughter, says, "When my waiting period completed, I informed him that both Muawiyah bin Abi Sufyan and Abu Jahm had proposed me." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Abu Jahm does not put down his staff from his shoulder. As for Muawiyah, he is a destitute man. He has got no property. You should marry Osama bin Zaid." I disliked him, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, "Marry Osama." I then married him, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu put goodness in it, and I was envied by others. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3681.